Frustrated by missing the contact poster after the iOS 18 update on your iPhone? Losing your contact posters on your iPhone can be really annoying, but don't worry. Today I'll show you how to fix this missing contact poster error quickly and easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable name and photo sharing. First, open up the Contacts app, then tap on My Card. Next, tap on Contact Photo, then just toggle on the name and photo sharing. After toggling on this name and photo sharing, make sure to set Share Automatically is set to Contacts Only. Solution 2. Turn on Show My Caller ID. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now scroll down again. Next, tap on the phone, then again scroll down. Now tap on Show My Caller ID. From here, simply toggle it on. Now go ahead and check the issue whether it is solved or not. If not, solution 3. Reset all settings. Open up the settings again, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap General. Now scroll down again. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Then tap Reset all settings. So folks, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have any other tech problems? Leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Catch you later.